Clean up formats. Over here we have got our data and the data is very messy. If we will manage this data manually, it's going to take lots of time. The simple way is we will select the whole data by pressing Ctrl A or Command A. We will go to Home tab. We'll come to extreme right hand side. In right hand side, we can see icon of eraser. Over here we have got a drop down. I'll click on drop down. We can see clear all, clear formats. I'll click on clear formats and my format got cleared. We'll come to left hand side. We'll insert borders. We'll take all the things in mid. In case you want to change the font style, it can be done. I'll leave it selected and will press Ctrl T. T is for table. Small window will pop up. Create table. My table has headers. We have to do OK. And just notice, a very beautiful table got created. We will have to manage few things, like we will have to do the alignment of headers, alignment of serial numbers, alignment of numbers to left hand side, and all the things are done very easily. In case you want to change table style or color, click anywhere inside your data, go to Table tab. Table tab will be visible automatically when you will convert your data to table format. So we will go to Table tab. Over here we can see table styles. Lots of styles are over here. You can select any style of your choice. So this work is done now. Let's move to next example. Unstack data. Over here we have got country details. Details of first country is from row number 3 to row number 6. Let's click on first detail. This is in C3, means cell number C3. So details are in C3, C4, C5 and C6. Let's click over here. This is C3. This is C4. Let's drag this to right and we got C3, C4, C5 and C6. Let's come to detail of second country. This is C7, C8, C9 and C10. I'll click over here. We'll type C7 and we'll drag this to right. Perfect. Now I'll select all and we'll drag this down. Over here we will use a small shortcut and that is Ctrl H, or we can press Ctrl F also. In both the cases, same window will pop up. Find and replace. Find what? We have to find C over here and replace with is equal to C. Why C? Because all my details are in column C. Only reason I have taken C over here. In case your details are not in C and instead it's in D, you have to put D over here. Now we will come down and we'll click on replace all. Alert, all finished. We made 64 replacements. I'll click on OK. We'll come down and we'll close this. Just notice, we got all the details over here. What will happen if I'll delete country details from here? We lost our data. So what can be done? I'll press Ctrl Z or Command Z. We'll select all my data. We'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll click on top. We'll right click the mouse, paste special, and from here I'll select values. These zeros are really not required, so I'll delete this. Now we can delete all country details from here and our data will not be affected. Let's undo this. Let's see our next example. Create mail IDs in bulk. We have got all the employee details over here, including first name, initials, designation, and employee code. And over here we have to create mail IDs with first name and initials. Let's copy our first name, Ctrl C or Command C, and we will paste over here, Ctrl V or Command V. In case you want to type it manually, you can. Now I'll double click over here. We'll come in the very beginning. A is in uppercase. I'll delete this and we'll do this in lowercase. Dot, initial is A. So I'll put A over here. At the end it will be @monk.com. So I'll put @monk.com. We'll hit enter. So my very first mail ID got created. Now I'll press Ctrl E. Ctrl E is the shortcut of flash fill. As soon as I pressed Ctrl E, we can see icon of flash fill over here. and our work is done very easily. All the mail IDs got created just with a single shortcut. Let's move to next example. Arrange data without copy paste. Over here we have got our monthly sales, but when we see our data in the very beginning, it's February and Jan is sitting in the center. In the same way, July should be just before August, but it's after August. And over here we are not going to insert any new column. We will use our trick, and that is, let's select our data from top to bottom. We can use shortcut also. I'll click on header, we'll press Shift Control down arrow key. We will come to the edge. We can see palm icon. What will happen if I'll drag this to left? I'll release my mouse now. We got an alert. There's already data here. Do you want to replace it? So we don't want to replace our data. I'll cancel this. I'll leave it selected. We'll come to the edge. Palm icon is visible. Now I'll press Shift and will drag my data in the very beginning. Dark green line is visible. Now I'll release Shift as well as my mouse and my data got shifted. Let's click on April. Let's press Shift Control down arrow key. Let's come to the edge. Let's press Shift and let's drag our data just before May. Dark line is visible. Now I'll release my mouse as well as my Shift. Data got shifted. Same with July. We'll come to the edge, we'll press Shift and we'll drag this just after June. Perfect. My work is done within seconds without copy paste. Let's see our next and last example. Text to columns. All our data is in a single column, but we have to divide our data in various columns. Doing it manually is really not possible. So the trick what we are going to use is text to columns. I'll select my whole data. I have clicked on very first data. Now I'll press Shift Control down arrow key. Whole data will be selected. Our data is more than 8,000 rows. I'll go on top. Now I'll go to Data tab. In Data tab, we get the option of Text to columns. I'll click over here. Small window will pop up. We can see two things, delimited and fixed width. I'll click on delimited. We'll come down and we'll do next. By default, it's clicked on tab and comma. And in our case also, the delimiter is comma. So I'm not going to do any change over here. In case your delimiter is not comma and it's anything else, you can click over here on other. You can insert your delimiter. Let's undo this. So after inserting your delimiter, come down and click on next. Destination. Currently it's B3, means this cell, the very first cell where our data is sitting. But our target is to put our data over here, means in this cell. So I'll delete B3 and we'll click over here. Now it's C3. We'll come down and we'll click on finish. Alert. There's already data here. Do you want to replace it? I'll do OK. Just notice, all my data got filled up very properly. In case I want to delete data from left hand side, we can do this because we haven't used any formula over here. I'll undo this. So these were the few examples of data cleaning. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.